really happy to introduce our 621 bell housings. The bell housings are a great piece. They're very, very well done. But one of the things that you can run into is when you go to put the pivot stud in, the threads are very particular. So we've got a great official go, no-go gauge here. And as you can see, when I go to put it in, I can't get it to turn. The reason is I don't have it in there perfectly straight. The threads are very, very well defined and very well cut. If I get that in nice and straight, I have no problem. So if you're having some issue getting your pivot stud in, just make sure you take your time and make sure that they're going in straight. Don't force it, because we'll strip the threads, but just take your time, get it in there nice and straight, and you'll have no problem.